So this presentation is under the subject of ichthyology, and this topic is all about external anatomy of fish. So when we say external, it means panlabas or yung kanilang panlabas. So in the next slides, I am going to discuss the external anatomy of these fishes na nakikita niyo sa aking background. Yan, yung 5 klase ng isda na yan. Okay, now let's start. So the first fish is the red snapper fish. So itong kanyang dorsal part, yan. And the posterior part, dito sa may kanyang bandang tail. The ventral part, dito sa kanyang bandang baseline, sa kanyang baba. Anterior part, dito sa kanyang bandang mouth. So, si dorsal part dito sa kanyang above the head. So, parang dito sa atin. Yan. So, si eye, of course, ang kanilang mata. So, eyes used to see their surroundings, find food and mates, and also to identify danger from their predator. So, si operculum, ito, that covers the gills or the hasang. And dorsal fin, yan, merong spiny dorsal fin and soft dorsal fin. So, dito yung bandang spiny dorsal fin ni red snapper. So, ito yung caudal fin or yung kanyang buntot. So, the function of caudal fin is to propel or the propulsion. And this is the caudal peduncle or the peduncle that connects the body and the tail. And the lateral line, so yan, yung parang highlighted na guhit na yan. The purpose of lateral line is to help them to adapt in their new environment once na nag-migrate sila or if they migrate into other environment. Nakakatulong to para makapag-adjust sila sa panibagong environment na yun. So, ito si anal fin, yan, si vent dito, tapos nandito yung kanyang anus, and dito si pelvic fin, yan, itong fin na to. Ito naman si pectoral fin, si bronchosteal race, yan, sa may mga guhit, parang guhit-guhit na yan. So, mouth, of course, ang mouth is ginagamit nila to pump water inside towards the gills for breathing and feeding. So, yung ibang fish kasi, ginagamit nila yung mouth yung di ba parang, yung kanilang eggs, ginagamit nila yun parang kanilang, or tapos tumatago sila sa corals para to stay away from the predator, or to stay away from the danger. So, yun. Yung ibang fish, ginagamit nila yung kanilang mouth na parang pinagdalik ng kanilang mga eggs. So, red snapper fish. Ang red snapper fish is, ang kanyang Tagalog name is maya-maya. Ang scientific name niya is Lutjanidae. So, ang type of caudal fin niya is homocercal, square. Body shape niya is fusiform, compressed. Type of scale niya is elasmoid tenoid. So, hindi ganun kalaki yung size na nakuha kong red snapper fish or na-avail ko from the market. That is why nahirapan ako i-identify siya kung if it is tenoid or cycloid. Sabi ko siya na tenoid because this data is galing siya sa fishbase.org. So yun, para maging tama lang yung sasabihin ko dito sa presentation na to. Deep body silvery fish, the second fish that I'm going to discuss. So, ito ang kanyang dorsal part. So, yan. Nandito ang kanyang spiny dorsal fin. And this is the soft dorsal fin. So, caudal fin, itong kanyang buntot. And the lateral line, yan. Si peduncle, ito, or the caudal peduncle. And then, anal fin, yan. Vent. And then, dito yung kanyang anus. Pelvic fin, pectoral fin, si bronchosteal race niya. Yan. And then si mouth, yung kanyang bunganga. Nares, nostrils. So, hindi ko nabanggit kanina si nares. Si nares or nostrils ay ginagamit nila to smell. So, para sa ating ding tao, ginagamit natin yung ilong natin to smell. So, yan, may asin-asin pa. Sorry sir, para lang hindi po mabilis agad habang ginagawa tong activity na to. So, deep body silverleaf fish. Ang kanyang Tagalog name is Amorok, and then scientific name niya is Geras abbreviatus. Ang kanyang type of caudal fin is homospherical, indented, body shape niya is fusiform, compressed, type of scale niya is elasmoid, cycloid. So, yan, hindi din siya ganun kalaking size yung avail ko. Pero, makikita naman dito yung kanyang scale is in the form of parang round cycloid. So, yan. The third one is lizard fish. So, ito ang kanyang dorsal part, posterior part, anterior part, and the ventral part. Yan. So, ito ang kanyang dorsal fin, and then adipose fin. Napansin nyo kanina sa dalawang isda na na-discuss ko, or dalawang unang isda na na-discuss ko, wala silang adipose fin. So, ito si lizard fish, meron siyang adipose fin, or present ang kanyang adipose fin. So, si caudal fin, ito, ang kanyang lateral line. Yan. Ang anal fin, ito, ang vent, yan. Si pelvic fin, si pectoral fin, bronchosteal race, mouth. So, yan. So, si operculum, ito yung nagko-cover ng gills or dihasang. Ang purpose ni pectoral fin they use it to dive and stay in one spot. So, yun. Yun ang ginagamit nilang fin. Yun ang ginagamit ng isda na palikpik if they want to dive or they stay in one spot. And then, the pelvic fin naman, ginagamit to balance for the balance positions, to control sometimes, and maneuver or maneuvering. So, si pelvic fin also, kinoconsider siya ikinocompare siya sa atin sa tao na kamay. So, sa isda, ito ay tinatawag na pelvic fin. And then, they also use it to move forward, navigate, and survive. So, yun, ito ang kanyang vent. So, si anal fin and dorsal fin pala, they also use it to balance and close quarters movements. So, yan. Si lizard fish, ang kanyang Tagalog name is Carajo or Pugot. Ang scientific name niya is Saurida undoscamis. Caudal fin niya, ang type of caudal fin niya is homospherical or forked. Body shape niya is attenuated or elongated. Type of scale niya is elasmoid, cycloid. So, the fourth one is yellow grouper fish. So, ito ang kanyang dorsal part, posterior part, anterior part, and the ventral part dito. So, ito ang kanyang operculum, ang eye, nares or nostrils, mouth, bronchosteal race, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, vent, anal fin, and yan dito ng dorsal fin, caudal fin, ang kanyang buntot. So, yan, hindi rin ganun kalaki si lapu-lapu na aking nakuha or na-avail ko from the market. Kaya hindi ko masyadong or hindi ganun ka-visible hindi ganun ka, kumbaga ma-identify, hindi ganun ka kadali na ma-identify what type of scale it is, if it is ctenoid or cycloid. So, kinuha ko lang yung data sa fishbase.org. So, grouper fish, ang kanyang Tagalog name is lapu-lapu or luba, and scientific name niya is Epinephelus maculatus. Ang kanyang type of caudal fin is homospherical or rounded. Yan, nakikita naman na rounded yung kanyang form, and the type of scale niya is elasmoid, ctenoid. Yung body shape niya is fusiform, and then type of scale niya is elasmoid, ctenoid. And then yung tail niya is yan, rounded, parang pa-rounded yung shape. And then si brown striped snapper fish, this is the fifth one or the last one, dorsal fin, ito yung dorsal part, caudal fin, ito, lateral line, yan, and then anal fin, vent, pelvic fin, pectoral fin, bronchosteal race, mouth, nares or nostril. So, si pelvic fin tsaka si pectoral fin, paired fins yan, dalawa ibig sabihin. So, yan. Si brown striped snapper fish, ang kanyang Tagalog name is saging-saging. Ang kanyang scientific name is Lutjanus lutjanus. Caudal fin is homospherical, truncate. Body shape niya is fusiform, compressed. Type of scale niya is elasmoid, ctenoid. So, kailangan kong i-measure or I need measurements on the morphometric characters and melistic characters in this activity. So, ito yung kanilang full meaning, ito yung kanilang abbreviation na madidiscuss ko in the next slide. So, ito si anal fin base length, AFBL, anal fin height, AFH, anal fin spine length, AFSL, and so on. So, yan yung mga mga kanilang meaning. So, ito yung, sa meristic characters naman, anal fin raise, AFR, dorsal fin raise, DFR. So, dito, sa meristic characters, kailangan talaga magbilang ng mano-mano. Kasi bibilangin kung ilan yung anal fin raise ng isda. So, ilan yung dorsal fin raise niya, yung dorsal fin spine, so yun. Dito naman sa morphometric characters, gumamit ako ng ruler to measure, and I use inches, then kinonvert ko na lang siya sa centimeter. So, eto. Ayan yung measurements or the data that I collected na nung sinukat ko yung mga isda. So, yan. Si red snapper fish, ang kanyang AFH is 1.25 cm, deep body silverly fish, 1.53 cm, lizard fish niya is 2.54 cm, yellow grouper fish is 2.54 cm or 1 inch, and so on. So, hindi ko na siya babasahin isa-isa para hindi mapahaba tong video na to. So, yan. Basta ito yung nakolect ko na data or ito yung naging measurements nung sinukat ko po yung mga isda na aking na-avail from the market. So, yan yung kanyang PD or the eye diameter. So, eto sa meristic characters, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng data. Yung mali-discuss ko in the next slide is galing siya sa fishbase.org. So, mahirap kasing bilangin kasi po yung size ng mga isda na aking na-avail is hindi ganun kadali na magbilang ng kanilang race kasi maliit yung size. Though may magnifying glass po ako dito sa bahay, pero parang mahirap pa din siyang bilangin kasi nga hindi ganun ka sakto yung size para makolect mo talaga siya, and or mabilang mo siya ng nakikita mo talaga na hindi ka or yung exact na bilang talaga, walang lagpas, walang kulang. So, ito yung data or yung morphology data na kinuha ko sa fishbase.org. So, si red snapper fish, ang kanyang dorsal fins is fins number 1, spines total 10 to 10, soft rays total 14 to 14, adipose fin absent, caudal fin more or less truncate, more or less normal. Anal fin is fins number 1, spines total 3 to 3, soft rays total 8 to 9. So, yung kanyang paired fins, pectoral and pelvics. Sa pectoral, soft rays 17 to 17, and pelvic spines 1, soft rays 5 to 5. So, deep body silverly fish, the second fish, and ang kanyang fins is, ang fins number ay 1, spines total 9 to 9, soft rays total 10 to 10. Adipose fin is absent. Caudal fin attributes is fork, more or less normal. Anal fins niya is fins number 1, spines total 3 to 3, soft rays total 7 to 7. So, ang kanyang pectoral and pelvic paired fins, ang kanyang pectoral is soft. Ang soft rays is 15 to 16. Sa pelvic naman, soft rays is 5 to 5, spines ay 1. So, sa lizard fish yan. So, si lizard fish, ang kanyang fins number ay 2 kasi ang kanyang adipose fin ay present, and soft rays total 11 to 13, ang spines total 0. Ang kanyang caudal fin is fork, anal fin niya is 1, soft rays total 10 to 11. Ang kanyang paired fins, pectoral to pelvic, soft rays 9, soft rays 14 to 15. So, yan. Ito yung mga data na nakolect ko ito yung data na nakuha ko sa fishbase.org, ang kanilang morphology. So, yan, nilagay ko yung link for the reference. And yan, si yellow grouper fish. And then, si brown striped snapper fish. So, Usually, ang mga isda, they swim in S-shaped waves. So, fish movement and locomotion, fish bodies that waves, so yun na nga, yung kanilang katawan is flexible. So, the fish flexes its muscles to produce a series of waves of contraction along each side of the body. They swim to avoid predation, feeding food, mating, migrating, and finding optimal physical environment. So, may iba't ibang klase ng paglangoy. Yung anguilliform kasi, parang ganun yung kanyang paglangoy, and then, yung ibang isda naman, ginagamit nila usually yung kanilang caudal fin to propel, and yun na nga, yung paired fins, kagaya ng pectoral and pelvic, ginagamit nila yun to balance and control and maneuver, or maneuvering. So, this is the model na pinagbasehan ko para masukat ang total length, ang TL or total length, SL standard length, and so on. So, yan. Yung morphometric characters, ito yung aking pinagbasehan. Itong model na to. So, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.